Hello everybody, I hope that you're doing well. Today I want to talk about fashion, and I want to talk about black jeans in particular because I have been obsessing over wearing these black good American good leg jeans. Now today I want to show you 4 different ways to wear these jeans, from a very basic look all the way to casual Friday at work. I think we're going to check all the boxes, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to do a little fashion show for you just so you can see how these looks kind of are all pulled together in a sense. But if you would do me a favor before we get started, if you have not clicked that little red button below and subscribed, I would love for you to do that. It really helps me out, and it also notifies you when I put out a new video. So today's first look that I'm going to pair with these jeans is just a black v-neck t-shirt. Now this is just a basic t-shirt from J. Crew, but I feel like there's something just really sexy and edgy about black on black, and when you pair it with just like a bright white sneaker, I just feel like it's just such a little pop. It looks put together, it looks easy, it looks simple. Maybe throw on a bold lip and you really kind of do stand out among the crowd. Now the next look I want to talk about is just keeping it really basic with a white button-down shirt. Now this is kind of like an elevated, sexy kind of look, but I also feel like it can really be like super chic. You can tuck the front of the shirt in and then pair it with like a little pair of mules. I think it's just a really easy look to pull off, and I kind of call it that elevated casual look because it's something that you could wear to brunch, or even if you were going shopping. It's really easy when you're wearing a button down just to unbutton the buttons, and that way you don't mess up your hair, you don't mess up your makeup, and it's just a really clean, simple way to look very put together. The next way I want to show you to wear this is just for a date night look, and this is just a lavender VC shirt, but it's so cute, it's so dainty, and when you put it with the black, it's just the black bold with the pastel purple, is so soft and so sexy, and the lace just really adds another layer of interest to it as well. And I love shoes, so I love pairing it with just a fun pair of shoes that I can, you know, wear even just from like to dinner to the dance floor. They're not super painful, but they're really, really comfortable and really, really cute. And so this last look is more of a business casual or casual Friday look. Just a very basic shirt. This actually kind of looks like a blazer, but it zips up the back, and just when you pair it with the black jeans, it's just very simple. It's very sleek. Put it with a a black pair of heels, because you never know, your boss may drop in to town on Friday and you may need to look put together, or you can even take this look just from after 5 like work look on into the evening as well. But that is it. So stick around for the little lookbook or the fashion show at the end, and thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll talk again soon.